our first camping ng taon.
Then turn right onto County Road 17.
Yeah, we cooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Love niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances.
Grabe yun ah.
Okay, stop muna kami dito sa Honor Tilbury to buy coffee. We bought coffee. Oh my God, yung init! Walang sleeves! Init! No, mainit na yung kamay ko. Kaya ako ang phone. Kasi hindi niya kanuhan ng sleeve. Oh my God. Tilbury pa lang kami. Check-in namin 2 o'clock. Sa campsite! Site! It's okay. Nice weather. Medyo malamig, pero may araw. For sure later, mas malamig siya. Pero at least ngayon, may araw siya. Sun is out. See you later, guys. Kain muna ang aming driver. Ang princess passenger is busog. That's me. So, kakain muna ang ating designated driver. Gutoms. Nice. So, ganda ng skies. She's taking. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful world. Oh my goodness. Nice. Welcome to Thames, Ontario. Okay, guys, welcome to Thames. Thamesville? No. Yeah, Thamesville. Downtown.
Take the next right onto London Road, Longwoods Road. Signs for Chatham Kent 2 East.
Oh, very laid back. It's a small town. Thamesville surplus. Okay, my driver is having a hard time turning.
Continue on Chatham Kent County Road 2 for 11
Oh my God, ang
kilometers.
tahimik dito. Nice. Siguro mga daming ano dito, mga retired na. Kasi, ano as in, downtown. Yeah, this is the downtown. Of course, Betty Martens. Ooh, it's something about you, something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. Ontario. I forgot what town is this. Oh my God, look at this. Is the downtown. This is the downtown of this place. Asan tayo It's Bluebird Square. Galing nakakatawa naman. Mga township to malalaman ko. Watford. Tama? Watford Township. Think. Watford. I know. Sige, slow pa. Yan ang kanilang simple, laid back, downtown. I'm looking for, Watford Township. Nice. We're almost there. Lapit na kami. Nice. Soon, ang mga puno ay magiging green na. Spring na. Kaya tutubo na sila. For now, wala pa. For the sign, I saw the sign. We're looking for the finery sign. Nung nagpabook kasi ako, finery lang available. Yung iba closed pa. Saw the sign. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? We're here na! Hi, salamat. Okay, arrow, it's on the left. Finally! We're here at Finery! Yeah!
There's a 26
Witty!
side road finery, then your destination will be on the right.
There! Ayan na! Destination on our right. Welcome to Finery! Finally, we're here at Finery Ontario Parks. First camping of this year. Yes, it's March. First camping, yay! So excited. Yes, dito tayo sa registration. Open. Okay. Set up tayo guys ha. See you later. Morning.
Good, how are you? For camping. Okay,
Yay, we got that. Yes, I got it.
We are here.
Yeah.
Follow the road straight ahead. At this traffic circle, stay to the left, following signs for camping. From short, it's a right and a left before the bridge into that yellow gate. And I've circled your site on that second map.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fill the trailer up for water.
Alright.
You're gonna do it in the campground at one of the water taps.
Oh,
On the water taps. Okay.
okay. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
So you have your firewood here or at the store?
No, here at this building.
Oh, here? Oh, okay. Maybe I'll be back.
Yeah, we're open till about 9:30.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Got it. Here we are. Okay. Dito tayo. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll have to stop because I have to assist my driver. Okay, guys, this is it. We just arrived at Finery Provincial Park. Now we have to look for our site. It's 402. Here. Ayun siya. Okay, guys, we have to figure this out first, okay? See you on our campsite. Okay, we're still looking for our campsite. This finery is a little bigger than where Darlington or Sturgeon Bay. Wow. Still looking. I hope we are on the right path, baby. Okay. This. It says Tuesday, group 2-3, huh? Where are we? Okay. Firewood, visitor site. Wala. Medyo... Ano to? Medyo confusing. Maintenance building. Ako nakikita maintenance building dito. last. Nakita na namin. So, hanapin na lang natin yung number. It's 402. 404. 404 yun. 404. Wait. Because it's Easter. Oh my God, wala tayong kaganyan-ganyan na ano. Hindi ko naisip yan yung mga Bugs Bunny. I think, ito, 406. Ay, not ganon. 406 to. 425. Oh, shit. Okay, ano tayo ng water muna. Mag-fill muna tayo ng tubig. Mag-fill up tayo ng water. Ay. So, lalagay muna tayo ng water, honey. Ako, ayun na, lumalamig na siya. Ay, ang ganda naman. May mga cabin din sila dito. Okay, ito na siya. Marami na rin nagka-camping. Trailers. Ay, ang ganda ng baller na yun. I like. It's cute. Yung baller. Lalagay tayo tubig, ha. Pag-fill up tayo ng water, ha. Sa tank. Okay. Tulungan ko siya, ha. So, wala silang water tank. Kailangan sa water tap. So, kailangan namin ilabas. I mean, di ba, ano ba yun? Tank ba yun? Ito, dito kami. Yun. So, wala silang water refill station. So, dito kami sa Gripo lang. Itong sabi. Buti na lang. Meron kami hose. Ayan, ganyan. Lumalamig na. Ay. Pero it's okay. Ang tanong, kasya ba? Paling, be. Yun. Yan. Kailangan ng hand. A little hand. Abot? Yes. Okay. Open. Lagay mo muna. Ayun siya. Whoa. Ano ba? Malakas? Malakas. Sobra. Okay. Pull tayo ng water. And let's wait. Puno na. Okay, off. Alright. Okay. Puno na siya. Dito na kami. Hanapin pa namin yung campsite namin kasi nalagpasan namin. Okay, hanapin na natin. Let's go. Ito na sila! Happy Easter! Tayong bata, oh. Doon yung nagka-camping nakita.
Tibay nitong mga ito.
Ayun. Sila, oo, tibay. Ang lamig. Wow, ano yun, di? Pang bonfire niya? Ang dami niyang kahoy. Ano ba yun? Pang ano? Ang tibay. Wow, bilib ako sa mga naka-tent kasi ang lamig ng windshield ngayon. Malamig. Nakikita sila kay ano. Sa'yo ba di? Ay, bulag siya di. Oh my God, kaya yan di. Ito na kami. 384 to 404. Kami is 402. So, pasok kami dito. So, 384. So, go straight. Diretso. This is our campsite. Wow. Mabushi. Malipi.
402?
Yes. So, pataas pa. Dun pa din. 386. 389. Ay, ito na yata. No, 383. Oh, 388. So, dun na. Malapit na. Dun pa. Dun tayo sa dulo yata. 391. Oh, we're almost there. Don't worry, pull through ka. It's okay. Pull through yung kinuha ko. So, ano ka lang, ikot ka lang. 390. Almost there. Ate, ito yata. 393. Doon pati silang. Medyo malabo yung video ko kasi, against the sun. Ganun talaga. Wow, nagpapausok na si tatay. Oh, ito di, tent, lamig mamaya. Grabe, mga tent dito. 394. Wow, ang galing nila, tent. O, Diba? Pwede, kahit malamig. 396. Malapit na. Hi. Grupo. 396. Pencil lang. Okay. Ay, eto. 397. Malapit na, malapit na. I think dito. Yeah. Oh, left or right? Oh, bet. 98. I think we're gonna... Eto na. Ayan na, eto na. Nakita ko na. Tabi namin tong Starcraft. Ay, 400. Hindi. Go straight, D. Ay, ang laki nung
Sa tabi mo.
Lagi tayo natatapat sa mga gigantic na RV. Yung gagabahay. Oo, ito na nga. You know what? Lagi kami natatapat sa mga gagabahay na RVs. Okay. Which is masaya.
Asan yung orienta?
Hindi ka tatama sa merong kahoy. Oh. Eto.
Sige, patabi.
O, diba? Okay. Video daw kami, o, diba? Narinig niyo? Bongga siya. No? Like kami natataon sa yung mga malalaki talaga. Yung mga as in big. Ay, ko. Ay. Ay. Okay. Ito na yung aming campsite. Ay, ko. Ito na siya. Actually, ay, ano ba yung aming? Ay, Diyos ko, open na open. Yun ang mahirap pagka yung spring pa lang. Kasi yung mga puno, walang coverage. Walang privacy. Well, okay, let's go. Go, D! O, diba? O, diba? Yung aming bebe walkie, oh. Ang cute! Every time na magka-camping kami, natatapat kami sa mga talagang highest level na. Eventually. After. Yeah, okay ka na, ano? Spot?
Okay na yung nakalabas, nakapat.
Kuryente? Okay. Tingnan natin. Ito ang atmosphere namin for 3 days. Yeah, okay lang, D. That's fine. Ito ang aming hookup. Okay guys, set up na kami. Yeah, okay na. Okay, magsiset na kami ng namin. Set up na kami. Kasi medyo lumalamig na rin. Okay, yay! We're here for 3 nights! Going to buy woods. And this is the scenario. Time check 6:19 in the evening. We need to buy woods before it's closing time at 9:30. Actually, it's still early. Yeah, closing time is 9:30. Let's go. Where we put our garbages, recyclables. Actually, marami din ako. Nice. 6:24 p.m. Nice. Going down. Whoa. Ito na. Let's buy some woods. What's this? Ay, you know what? I'm going to the... Ay, hindi yun ang store. No, yung mga souvenirs. Yun sa kabila. Okay. Okay. Woods. Pick up natin yung woods. Let's go. Stop. Okay. Saan siya? Oh, asan ang goods? Nandun sa loob. Oh, dyan ang bilihan. Galing. Tingnan natin yung loob. Let's see the inside. Oh, okay. Dinideliver lang pala. Pero niligyan nila dito kasi hindi pa ganun kainit. So, yan. Goods. Okay, let's go. So we got... Di, how many bags do we have? Di, ilan yan? 4? Di, ilan na bili natin? Puno-puno. 3 bags. Okay, let's go! Mag-bonfire na tayo. Okay, labas tayo saglit. 3:32. Oh, sorry. 6:32 ng hapon. Labas tayo saglit. Tingnan natin. Check natin ang Grand Bend Beach. Ang Grand Bend Beach. Ito yung entrance. Winery. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Oh, 9 kilometers from here. Yeah, 9 kilometers from here. So, ayun siya. Winery. Okay, welcome to Grand Bend. Check natin. 6:40 p.m. 9 kilometers from Winery. So, hindi pa siya. Actually, hindi pa nag-ooperate ng mga ibang ano. Actually, wala pa. Ay, yung iba, yes. Mga bar and grill. Yes. Forward sa summer ang mga owner ng mga businesses dito kasi marami nagpupunta dito para Wasaga Beach. Pero ngayon wala. Yung iba bukas sila, yung mga restaurants, yung mga inan. Ayan lang. Ayan siya. Mataas pa. Ikot lang tayo. Hindi tayo bababa. Are we going to? No, check lang natin. Ayan siya. Ay, grabe. Ang taas pa rin ng araw. Sorry. Same. Doon kami ni Sheila nag-slide. Ay, ito lang din, nag-ano lang din sila, Tumaan lang, wala lang. Oh, sorry sa araw. Dito kami sa Grand Bend. Let's see. Medyo maalon. Tada. Welcome to Grand Bend Beach. Lalakad daw kami sa snow. Sa sand. Oh my gosh, mataas pa araw. There you go. Di, mag-hood ka, malamig. Lalapit tayo? Lalapit? Video. Lapit tayo. Oh my gosh, ang lakas ng alon. Wow. the sound of the water. Love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it. Closer, closer, wait. Dirty yung water. Ay! Woo! Ah! Come here! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Scary! That was scary! Oh my gosh! Parang sila nangahabol. Pag pala ganito yung shot mo, nakakatakot. Ayun na, lalapit na naman. Ang ganda! Very ganda, very calm. Habulin mo ako! Habulin! Alright, nandito na kami sa 385 up to 404 and we are on 402. I'm tired na. Nasa 402 ako, so ay kami pala. So, malapit na kami. After 4 minutes, kinat ko. Kasi ang haba. So, ito na kami sa campsite namin. Dami mga leaves. Hello, guys! Mga naglalakihan ng RVs. Yeah. Sunset. Cute, oh. Cute yun. Ooh, yun na. I like the smell. Yung amoy ng barbecue, kuya, oh, relax sila. Merong halo dito, RVs, kaya mga tent, trailers. Ayan, may mga naka-tent. Ang galing nila, ah. Siguro may heater yan na portable. Yung mga malamig. Kailangan talaga naka-heater kasi naka-tent ka. It's a must to bring a portable heater. Ayan, yung mga naka-tent sila. Ito, ready for rain. Ay naku, umiihi yung tuta. Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Tututu. Ito ang aming humble ever. Humble. Ayan siya. Diba? Hi, Waki. Alright. Dito na kami. So, ready na kami ng dinner.